Why won't my dog listen? One of the dog owner's greatest frustration can be a dog that doesn't listen to what they are told to do. All dogs can be good listeners, but they need proper guidelines and relationship with their owners to achieve this. If your dog doesn't listen to you, it's probably due to one of these following reasons. Number 1, you aren't fun enough. If your dog isn't listening, they may have learned that there is a greater reward in ignoring you. More scroll to chase, more time to smell the grass, you name it. The only way to get your dog's attention is to become more interesting than whatever they are currently doing. Number 2, fear of punishment. Think carefully before you correct your dogs for misbehavior. Don't use punishment or inappropriate forms of correction. For example, your dog gets out of the front door and leads you on an hour-long chase through the neighborhood. If you punish your dog for finally returning home or merely allowing themselves to be catched, your dog will associate that the correction with the last action they have took, that is coming back. Number 3. Dogs require more training. Our dogs genuinely want to do the right thing, but we need to give them the tools. If you feel your dog isn't listening because she is being difficult or stubborn, consider that maybe she just don't get it. The way to fix this is formal training. Go to a class, get private lesson from a professional trainer, and read up current positive methods. Number 4. You are speaking the wrong language. If your dog seems to be ignoring you, maybe it's just language barrier of sorts. You speak English and she speaks canine. It's not just about interpreting a bark. Dogs are very tuned into a body language. They communicate mostly through the posture, movement, eye contact, all without a single spoken word. The next time your dog doesn't listen to you, consider if she truly understands the question. Number 5. Your timing is off. When your dog won't listen to you, timing may be an issue. Timing is crucial for dogs to understand what they are being rewarded or punished for. Focus on rewarding if you can. You have about 2 to 3 seconds after their behavior before the meaning is lost. If all else fails, seek professional dog trainers' help. If your dog isn't listening, regardless of why, the best solution may be found through a professional dog trainer. Try the Certification Council of Professional Dog Trainer for help finding one. Good dog trainer doesn't just know how to get dogs to sit or lie down. They can interpret relationship between dogs and owners and help you learn how to improve them. That leads to happy ending for both you and your dog and lots more listening.